Holding your yarn and needles for English-style knitting. To begin, simply pick up your needles and place your index fingers near the tip and your thumb on top of your needle. And that's it. But we need to get yarn into our right hand, and we'll need to place some tension on that yarn to ensure that our stitches come out uniform and that they're not too loose. To begin tensioning, I will start by wrapping the yarn around my pinky finger, running that yarn underneath the next two fingers and over the index finger. Once more, wrapping the yarn around my pinky, under my next two fingers, and over my index finger. Initially, tensioning and holding your yarn might feel a little bit awkward, but as you practice and develop muscle memory, this will all become very natural, especially as you develop your own little modifications as to how to tension your yarn.